Namaste and welcome to Recipes in Nepal. Today, Recipes in Nepal brings you Haluwa Recipe in Microwave series. The ingredients required for Haluwa are semolina or Suji 1 cup, ghee or clarified butter 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons and milk 1 cup. For all the items we cook in the microwave, we need to have a microwavable container. We will use a container with a lid for Haluwa. First of all, we will take the container, pour Suji into it and then add ghee. Now we will mix it, making sure that there is no lump in the mixture. Next, we close the container with the lid and microwave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can take out the container and add sugar according to your taste. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, we can mix the sugar and then add milk. Finally, all the ingredients have been added and now we can mix it for the last time, cover the lid and microwave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our Haluwa is now ready to serve. You can crumble the Haluwa like I did or instead serve it without crumbling. You can also add badam, pistachio, cashew nuts for decoration. Our easy and simple Haluwa is now ready. Try this at home and tell us in comment section how you found our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel if you liked this video. Thank you for watching.